today's video. I am going to cook the fish for the dinner. So, nadatay tamban guys. Tara. I have tamban here. And also, I have a tangloy. Tangloy. Gagmay nga tangloy lang guys. Magtulak ko. I'm going to cook tinolang isda and the paksiw. And this tamban, I'm going to fry this. Ano siyang prituhon. So, let's start everyone. Ato na siyang butang asin kay ato naman yung prituhon. Ato na siyang prituhon. So, ato na siyang butang asin. Asin lang, asin. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. 200 plus pa taon akong subscriber guys. So please help me naman po. So maglain ko. I am going to separate this. Kaya ako na siyang itinolang isda. Nara, labas pa guys. Kini, ano siyang this one, I'm going to cook this as paksiw. So, dara akong kaldero. Hinlo na siya guys ha. So, dara yung kanang color black na siya. Kay normal na siya guys. Kay di man gasol among lutuanan. So, ako na siyang ibutang diri dayon. I'm going to put this fish directly here at my kaldero. Then, nakabatis ako. Then, aha na siyang timplahan. Wala dayon. Wanay da mong ik-ik. Kay, kuan, madugay na. Arrange lang, i-arrange. So, after that, let's put salt. Salt. Mix. So, anak ko magpaksiw everyone. Anak ko magpaksiw. So, magkuha ako sa akong suka. Damog lamok. Ay. So, dara akong vinegar. Let's put the vinegar here. Gamay-gamay lang. Hindi masyado marami. And I don't know if I have a ginger. Bloodly. I have a ginger. Then I will add a ginger too. Kalimtan ako. Panit. So, ginger. Kay humot ang pinaksiw nga na ay ginger or loya. So, ani rami magkuan everyone, magpaksiw. As simple as that. Ako na siyang dugangan dayog kuan. Ako siyang dugangan og tamban everyone. Kay lami ra ba ning tamban? Lami ning tamban ni kuan paksiw tulo la ka buok. Then wash. Sugasan jud. Then slice. So that's it. Then the garlic. Don't forget the garlic, guys, because you know the garlic is the one who will complete the recipe of paksiw. So this is my favorite, everyone. Ay, areko. Ganahan ko og damog ginger, everyone, kay humot. Ginger. Garlic, I mean. Basta damog garlic, humot siya. Smells good when there's lots of garlic at your paksiw recipe. So peel. So directly na lang nga slice. Anira siya, everyone. Anira, alo, ligid. Anira ko magluto. As simple as that. As long as nga kuan hinlo. And also, do not forget the onion, everyone. Don't forget the onion. Tadan! So, nagpalit ko og onion. A half of slice lang sa onion, everyone, hong ibutang kay. Since gamay raman siya, so half la akong ibutang. Kay ang half side pod niya is for tinola. So, and of course, do not forget the seasonings, everyone. Muna siya pangpalami. So, ako na siyang kada mo lamok. Kaya lang siyang ikuan. Ihurot. Ito siya pampalami, diba? No seasonings, why lami? So, takbuhan. Later, maghaling ta. O, karon. Next, maghaling ta og kayo. Sa rag. I'm going to clean my table, everyone, kay it's very messy. I don't like cooking nga. Damo bitog abubot. Ganahan. Maghaling ta. I'm going to dry my hands. So, maghaling ko. I'm going to build a fire using the wood. Nahaling na, everyone. So, I'm gonna show you. That's it. So, that's to time check, everyone. It's already 6:02 p.m. here in the Philippines. So, it is time to prepare the food for our dinner. So, here it is, everyone. Wala siyang itakang. Later, I'm going to cook the tinolang isda. Because later, after tinolang isda, magprito na ko sa isda po. Pritong isda. So, puro meron isda, guys. There is nothing bad about fish. As long as you cook it properly. So later, so let's wait for how many minutes, guys, and wait also to the paksi will boiling. So while waiting everyone sa atong gilakang, let us also prepare the onion for our tinolang isda. So this is the oil. I'm going to use it later when frying the fish. And I have also the lemongrass. So let's tie them. So that is how to tie the lemongrass, everyone. Of course, don't forget to wash. Oleifera, kamunggay.